Change text color. Select your text. In the top toolbar, click the text color icon, the A with an underline. Now, click your desired color. More styling. With text selected, click B for bold. Click I for italics. Click U for underline. The S with a line through it creates a strike-through. For all uppercase, click the AA icon. Align text. Select it. Then click the alignment icon. Choose left, center, right, or justified. For lists, click the list icon, then pick bullets or numbers. Adjust spacing. Select text. Click the spacing icon. Drag the letter spacing slider. Do the same for line spacing. Position elements. Select an item, then click Position. For example, enter a degree to rotate. Made a mistake? Click Undo. Copy style. Select the source text. Click the Copy Style paintbrush. Now, click your target text. Canva automatically saves your work, so you can close your design with confidence. You'll find it again under Recent Designs on your Canva homepage. Simply click to reopen it, and all your edits will be just as you left them.